In this video, I'm going to give you an easy way to remember how to use three small but very important words: at, on, and in when talking about time. Hi, I'm Charlie. Welcome to Organic English. I'm here to help you become more fluent in English. Take a look in the description below. There is a link to a transcript so you can follow along with this lesson. By the end of this video, you will be able to use three of the most confusing prepositions in English: at, on, and in when talking about time. We will look at some examples to put these prepositions in context. We will also do a small quiz at the end to test your understanding. Please hit like if you like this video and click subscribe if you want to see more. Most English learners have problems with prepositions, but they are so important because they help us make connections between people, things, and places. If you use a preposition incorrectly, it can make a difference between a sentence that is clear and a sentence that is just a jumble of words. Right now, I'm going to help you remember how to use at, on, and in when talking about time by using this simple diagram. So here's how it works. We take our triangle and divide it into three parts. At the top is the point of the triangle. Here we talk about quite specific points of time. This is at. For example, at 6 a.m., at 3 o'clock, at 2:45 p.m. It's very narrow, it's very precise. Now at the bottom is the widest part of the triangle. This is in. In covers the widest, longest periods of time. In 2 weeks, in October, in 1988, in the 60s, in the 17th century. Covers weeks, months, seasons, years, decades, and centuries. And in between we have on. On, like the triangle, is a bit narrower and it's used for one day or one date. For example, on Monday, on my birthday, on June 25th, 2020. So there you have it. Did you get that? So at for very narrow situations, on a little bit wider, one day or one date, and in for the widest situations, more than one day or one date. Quiz time. Let's fill in the gaps with at, on, or in. 8 o'clock, a specific time. At 8 o'clock. Good. Friday, it's a day, so we use on Friday. Nice work. And summer, it's a long period of time. In summer. Nice work. We can also say in the summer, okay? Same thing. Now, a very special day, Christmas Day. On Christmas Day. It's a day. At 8 o'clock, on Friday, in summer, on Christmas Day. Now let's move on to some sentences because that's how we use the language. His birthday is blank March 10th. His birthday is on March 10th. Good. See you blank 5:30. See you at 5:30. Nice work. They moved to Miami blank 2005. They moved to Miami in 2005. So his birthday is on March 10th. See you at 5:30. They moved to Miami in 2005. Take a look in the description below for a link to more material if you need it. But of course, this is English, so there are going to be exceptions. Let's take a look at a few of those. So let's look at some of those exceptions with example sentences. In 5 minutes. The train leaves in 5 minutes. In the morning. See you in the morning. In the afternoon. I'll call you in the afternoon. At night. It gets really cold at night. I'll add these exceptions to the diagram. I'll put a link in the description below so you can download the diagram for yourself to keep. I hope this triangle will help you remember when to use at, on, and in when talking about time. Don't forget to go to organicenglish.club, where you can find courses and resources and other things that are going to help you become more fluent in English. At organicenglish.club, you can also subscribe to my newsletter. Subscribers will get mini lessons, video updates, and other things directly to their inbox. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.